Hey Stu Sales Teams followers, welcome to the Stu Sales Teams brand new listing. And you know what? I don't want to hear it anymore. I'm sick and tired of people saying I can't get in the market in Toronto, because you know what? This house is under $1 million and you can get into the market. We've got this gorgeous house, fully renovated, all updated, all the mechanicals done, and it can be 2 apartments or you can have it as a single family home. It's got 2 bedrooms up, a bedroom down, 3 bathrooms. You've got a gorgeous living room, beautiful wood floors, brand new kitchen, big center island to sit and enjoy wine, have your friends over. You've got great height in the ceiling, tons of windows, tons of light. You have a great prime bedroom up, then you have a second bedroom. You've got the back could be a home office. I mean, like, this is move-in ready. You don't have to do anything. And look at this gorgeous backyard. Like, why do you want to sit in a condo when you can be here in this beautiful backyard, barbecue with friends? And you know, my favorite area, we're in between the junction triangle, stockyards. You can walk to everything. You can walk to the junction. You can walk to the up. You can go down to Keele and Dundas and go to Noto, the Alpine, all my favorite spots, LA Fitness, Organic Garage, Stockyards Mall, Nations. So look, this place is awesome. So go to stewsales.ca, see all the videos, the photos, and give me Stu a call for a personal tour.